So my name is Hayat Oybek, and this is the assignment homework 2, assignment 4 for my professor in the computer science major. So the assignment was to visualize the trace table and also run the code, some of them. So first of all, I didn't find the Visual Studio to my computer. It was quite complicated to register. So my friends recommended me this site. That's an online compiler, which is can visualize the trace table and also C++. It's very useful. So it's an online compiler. So the assignment was to 5 to the times 2. So it means I write all the code, and also we're gonna run it. So I put the input like this, and the output will show in here. Like enter the base value, the power of the value 2 to the power is 5 to the power is 2 is 25. So we need now trace table. So this trace table is gonna show us by step. So what we need first and what we next testing. So first one is the cloud name cout, and it's my name, but that's classifying. That's my homework. It's not copying. So next step is asking us cout to enter the base value. So we enter the base value. Then we enter the base value. The next step is enter the power value. We will enter the exponent, and after that it's the sum. Sum is equals to power, base, and exponent. So the next step will show now that's the init is z equals to 1. There is a x equals to 5, and the y equals to and y equals to 2. And now z is like not necessarily, it's just a number now for now, and we're gonna change it. So the next step is we're gonna do for this compiler this trace table. It says like init I is equals to 1, I is less to equals to y, and I plus plus. So the next step is it shows the z equals to z times x, so which is I equals to 1, x equals to 5, and y equals to 2, and z is 1, like there. Z is 1. So base is 5, exponent is 2. So the next step is like this. Now as you can see, the I for the next step turns to 2 because it changes, because the I is less than equals to y. So base is 5, exponent is 2. So the next step is gonna use for this calculation. It's gonna say z to x to z times x. So now is the I is 2, x is 5, I is 5, and the 5 power is power of 2 is 25. So the next step is shows this, and returns the z, which is 25, like this. And the next step, it comes to this cout, showing us the result. Base to the power of the exponent, which is the 5 to the power of the 2, is the sum. Sum is the z, like this. So the base is 5, exponent is 2, and the sum is 25. So the next step is return 0. So nothing will gonna execute from the last aspect of the last step, which is 25, and the last one is end of the code, like this.